Hello everybody! In this video I would like to show how you can pin the message in the Telegram group chat or even the public channels. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the channel. So if you are the administrator or you have the administrative rights in the public channel, in order for you to pin the message, simply choose the message that you would like to pin, tap on it. As you can see, this menu with additional options appears, and simply tap on pin. Confirm it, and as you can see, this message has been successfully pinned right here. If you would like to pin the message inside the group chat, just open up the group chat in question, tap on the messages you would like to pin, and well, do the following. But the only difference that there is between pinning the app inside the public channel and the group chat is while pinning the message in the chat, in the group chat, we are able to decide whether we want all the members to be notified that we have pinned something. So I'll disable this checkbox and pin this hi message. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.